Chaos on the streets of Soweto. Residents brazenly looting shops owned by foreign nationals. The violence sparked by the fatal shooting of a 14-year-old, allegedly by a Somali shopkeeper, has spread. But Gauteng police are adamant they are on top of the unrest.
I'm confident that the situation is under control and has been stabilized.
As Motiba spoke these words, this was happening in Dobsonville. Meanwhile, 37 community members charged with robbery and public violence appeared in court. The matter has been postponed to next week, and the state says it's planning to oppose bail. This woman's niece is among those arrested. She'll spend the week in a police cell with her 2.5-month-old baby.
I thought they would give a free bail or something, so they didn't give them bail. I'm disappointed.
While looting continued in Soweto, the Somali national charged with killing a teenager on Monday was in court. Senosi Yusuf looked a bit dazed when he appeared in court. He spoke only once, confirming his name. His lawyer told the court that the Somali national does not speak English, prompting the magistrate to postpone the matter to next week in order to secure an interpreter. Yusuf's brother and several other foreigners from the community say they'll be back to support him on Monday. Balungelo Boy, Soweto.